Hello and good time. This is Ali Reza, and as a HR data analyst, today I want to work with you, and I would like to learn you how you can design one kind of HR dashboard which is about employee performance, and step by step I want to learn you how you can design a professional HR dashboard and in fact a professional employee performance management dashboard which include many data and different visuals. In addition, I use different questions to cover the subjects, and before then start to work with the dashboard and reports, I want to tell you some great points which can help you to have a better results at the end of the course. But for the starting of the designing this kind of reports, you should consider some important points. First of all, you should understand employee performance management process, and you can search in the internet or Google it, and you can find the employee performance. And I designed the report because I search in the internet and Google it, and I see so simple HR dashboard or report in the internet, and there is not a real and practical report which should be presented to managers or maybe your customers. So in this report we work more with data, and you can understand how HR data can have a significant effect on managers and company decisions. Performance is very important because all works in different organizations depend on performance. And if I wanted to tell you, if we have a better performance, we will have better results, which means more benefits, more incomes, and more developments and innovations. So performance can important significant role in organization. Employees' performance is so important because if you want to work as a HR data analyst, you should have a special focus on performance management because it has a significant effect on your decision and talent part, and you should know at the end of the year how many individual development plans you should have, or how many termination you will have. This kind of decision depends on to employee performance management. In addition, I wanted to tell you, maybe you work as a freelance trainer, freelance analyst, and so you have a different customers, and your customers have a different points, and maybe they ask different questions and they need different kind of analysis. So today we have a sample report, but I try to be more complete. Maybe you want to design a more complex dashboard based off your customer needs or your managers or your companies, or you need to design a more simple dashboard or report, but it's a great dashboard and great exercise if you want to work as a HR data analyst. And there are a lot of detail here, so that's enough this part. And I wanna add another point. I think as a HR data analyst, you should be creative if you want to design better. And here in the playlist I use Power BI and PowerPoint and try to use different websites which provide a good source of icons and color palette. I wanted to tell you, if you be more creative, you can make a better report and you can find more customers, and you can be a main player in your company. So I tell the main points about the reports, and before starting work about the report you should understand my points of view. And I suggest to you to have a paper and pencil, and before starting to design a report try to design different parts of report on a paper, and after that start to work with Power BI or other kind of softwares like a Power BI such as a Tableau. So let's go and start to work with the report and see different parts of the report. In this report we have a four part. We have a home page, organization page, teams page, and people page. In the first part of the report we work with PowerPoint, and I learn you how you can design the first page or other part of the report which relate to graphical design. And after then open Power BI and work with Power BI and our data. Let's go to organization page. In organization page we have a lot of different kind of visuals. How you can see, I use different kind of visuals such as a donut chart or cards or bar charts, and analyze many factors in different company levels, how you can see. And I consider many points, and step by step I will learn you how I design this part. In the third part we work on teams, and in the teams we work on different departments. There are a range of departments, and we consider average performance, target-based performance, behavior performance, people who are our star, who are high performer, who are a middle player, middle performer, and who are underperformer. Here you can see, and we have a different slicer, and we can work with different slice and design different report. In addition, this part we consider gender, and we work on a different gender, how we can have for example, how many people as a female, as a male, and we consider the average performance. And in the end of the report we have a people, and we consider different index or indicators for our people. And here we have a table, and you can see their different sides of their performance and total days work and performance report. The report is full of details, so let's go and start to design different parts of the report. And in the next lesson I learn you how you can design a home page here. And in addition I want to learn how you can design a good logo for our report. So at this lesson I learn you how you should think about the report. You should be creative. You should learn you have a list of questions based off your customer needs or your manager needs. For answering these questions, you should consider different KPIs, index or indicators. After that, you should have a pen and or pencil and a paper and design your dashboard or report on a paper or papers. And after that, understand how to do your big picture. You should start to design your report. So if you like the video, please like the video and share with other peoples, and write a good comment for me. I receive more energy, and you can encourage me to produce this kind of video to you.